What's up, mi gente? Today we're going to be making some oven fried smoked blackened chicken. First, we're going to start by seasoning up our chicken wings with some sazon and then some onion powder. Now we'll be moving on to some smoked paprika, and then of course lastly our blackened seasoning. Y'all know I go really heavy on my seasonings. We love the flavor here. And look at the color on these wings, and the smell of the smoked paprika is just overwhelmingly delicious in the kitchen right now. Wish you guys can smell this. Now we're going to be adding a whole entire stick of butter. I went ahead and pre-cut them, and the more butter the better, because this butter is going to make these wings nice and juicy. Then we're going to pop them in the oven at 400 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes. And they are ready, mi gente. Look at